Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make After Effects like text on CapCut. So it's very easy. All you have to do is open your CapCut. This is a mobile version of a video editor, and tap or open one of your project here. So all you have to do right now is just make a text here. You can tap text and add text. So you can type anything. For example, city pop. Done. So you want to add some a style here, so you can add effect, or before you can add effect, just use this style first and try to search the glow here. This one you can tap it. So if you're a pro user, you can use this pro, or you can use the free one. So you can add the color or the background here, just white one for easier. And you can try the intensity here, orange like this. And after that, you can tap text button and then use animation. Try to search animation in here. This one, animation. The out one, try to search this expand. Try to use this expand. So you can try to 3 second. So like this. So let's see from the start, and done. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.